Hello traders, if you can watch this clip to the very end, it will be the last time you're going to blow any Profem challenge account again, because in this video I'm going to explain to you the real meaning of Profems and how you should be treating them, right? Now if you look at Profem in the actual sense, it is a challenge, right? And if you're in any challenge, you want to see it to the very end. So before you go ahead to purchase any Profem account, make sure you work on your psychology. Now, in terms of psychology, what do I mean? I mean, you should know that whenever you open a trade, you want to make sure you are not emotionally attached to that particular trade. You want to hold on to that challenge till you get to that goal you've set for it, right? Now, you don't want to open a position and close it prematurely. And I'll be showing you a particular chart that has tested my emotions. Why? Because it's a Profem challenge. So I needed to treat it as a challenge account. Why? Because as a challenge account, you don't want to be emotionally attached. Your goal is to win. And this is where you can draw the curtain. It's either the market hit your Excel or you hit your TP. If you can do this, trust me, 8 out of 10 times you'll be right in the market, and you always match Profem account, not even risking so much. Another thing I need to say to you is to master your risk management, right? Make sure you are very, very good in risk management so that you will not blow this account, right? Because whenever you're in a drawdown, it will be difficult for you to hold on to a winning trade. That's why a lot of forex traders close their winning position and they become hopeful whenever their trade is a negative. So you don't want to trade like that. You want to wait for that A+ setup that can enable you to hold on to that trade till you get to your TP, right? So as a forex trader, before you buy your next challenge account, make sure you have the mindset right. Number one. Number two, treat it as a challenge account, right? That is the meaning, a challenge account. So don't be scared. Make sure you enter a trade and let it be your TP or your Excel. Either of those two, you are not closing prematurely. And this has helped me to take a very good trade on gold, which I'll be showing you right now. So if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gordon Trade. I come up here weekly to document my journey, to also help you see how I also analyze the market like a professional. I also help you become a professional forex trader. So let's dive right. Let me show you this particular trade setup right now. All right, this is gold, right? You can look at this is gold on 15-minute time frame. Now, if I was not strong enough psychologically, I would have closed this trade the moment the market gave me a huge drawdown. You can see, all right? Now, I took the buy in the evening, all right, Nigerian time. Then before then I'd already gone in for this sell. I took a sell from here and I came out here, right? Now I banked over 1:2 here, risk to reward. So now I saw that price was giving us what, a rejection to the downside here. So here I enter for a buy here, right? And the moment I enter for a buy, what happened? The market start giving me drawdown, right? Now if you look here, between here and here, we just have barely less than 2 or 3 pips for my Excel to be smashed, right? But what did I do? I just closed my chart. Why? Because it's a challenge account. Whatever the market does, I'm fine. Now you don't want to be risking too much, right? Because if you are risking too much, that is when your emotion will be all over the place. But with what I was risking, I was comfortable with what I was risking. Then I'll just, okay, I've already minus what I've already used on this trade out of my equity. So I already like, okay, this is just a one loss trade. And I allowed this market to run overnight. Luckily for me, when I woke up this morning, because I knew gold is really on a bullish trend, but you never can tell if the bullish market is going to be starting from here. But as it was, it pushed up back into what? Profit. And before I could wake up in the morning, we've already smashed TP1. And now it's matched TP2. Now we're heading for what? TP3. The reason why you are seeing this movement is because of the CPI that will be coming up in the next few minutes from now, right? If not, the market still have potential of shooting up, even up onto this particular price here, right? Even up onto this particular level here, price is still coming up here, right? But we are approaching both the day trading strategy and the swing trading strategy. So for my swing trading strategy, I'll be looking for profit taken here. But while we'll be taking partial profit and be adding some more positions. But as a day trader, you want to close your trade because of the news that is about to be released in the next few minutes. So it's quite simple, nothing complicated. Learn to hold your position, treat it as a challenge account, no emotion attached, right? And make sure you're not over trading, make sure you're not over leveraging, make sure you're not over risking. With this, your mindset will be very calm and you will need to see your profits rolling, right? Don't look at your MT5 whenever you're on the trade, just look at the chart. whatever is on the chart has its own effect on your MT5. So stay focused and remain blessed. If you watch this particular moment, make sure you like this video. Let me have your opinion in the comment section, and what type of profile are you trading. And if you really want me to mentor you, the link to join my mentorship group is inside the video description below. So do where to smash it, and I'll be at the back end to talk to you. So I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.